Hey creators, welcome to the NDev channel, and today I'll show you why I was dumb for doing this back then. But after knowing the hidden AI tools in Premiere Pro, I feel a bit smarter. Let's get started. First up, scene edit detection. Imagine you're manually cutting a long video into individual scenes. The old me will usually go through all the footages, watching it one by one and cutting it exactly in its tiny microsecond. Thankfully, we can use this tool to automatically detect and add cuts at scene changes, saving you hours of work. The days of me cutting scenes manually and the days of me being dumb are gone. Let me show you how it's done. Obviously, open your project file and this is going to be what you see, unless you're not using Premiere Pro, and then this is not the right video for you. And then you're going to be dragging the video that you want to cut, which is going to be this. Drag it to your timeline here, and then the next step is very simple. Just right click on the video and then go to scene edit detection. You can just ignore these two checklists. Make sure this checklist is on and click analyze. And let it analyze while my laptop's fan is screaming in pain. And ta-da! Your video is cut automatically. If you zoom in here to the timeline, you can see that the cut is very precise. Let me play it back for you guys. There's gonna be another cut here, and another cut here. It's very precise, and you can just decide to edit this immediately and move the cut anywhere you want. And you can see that it's saving you hours of work. And I gotta tell you,
it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Alright, next is text-based editing. The old me will probably go to the timeline, look at the video one by one, and write the subtitles manually, which is time-consuming and stupid. But thankfully, with text-based editing, Premiere Pro can help you transcribe the footage and help put subtitles automatically. It can even remove the and silences. Here's how it works. First, go to Window, Workspaces, and go to Captions and Graphics. Just click it, and then you're gonna want to go to text here. Like sometimes when it's on source, you just click the text here. And then you're gonna want to click transcribe here. Make sure that it's on the transcript tab here. Click transcribe. Sometimes your project will automatically transcribe it already for you, but in this case, it's not transcribed. So we'll just gotta wait for it while my laptop's fan is screaming again. As you can see here, it's already transcribed, and if you play through it, it transcribed the conversation quite accurately. And you can do a bit of changes to some of the typo. And then if you're happy with the changes, you can just click this three dot here and create caption. And then in the create caption tab, you can open this captioning preferences and sort of decide the maximum length and characters that you want, the minimum duration in seconds that you want, whether you want the lines to be double lines or just a single line. For me personally, I don't like a subtitle that is double line. I always like my subtitle to be a single line, so it looks more neat and more professional. Yeah, basically just click create caption. Yep, as you can see here, the caption is created automatically. You don't even need to waste a lot of time for this. Maybe sometimes you need to put a bit of effort in the typo and some of the words that are pronounced wrongly. But yeah, most of the time, it saves time a lot. Like compared to doing the subtitle manually, imagine typing like this, that's more time consuming compared to this. And then to remove the pauses, all you have to do is go to transcript again, click this triangle icon, and then click on pauses, click it. And then it will automatically select all the pauses during the conversation. You're gonna want to click delete if you don't like the pauses. And then you can delete all. Let's zoom in on some part of it. There's a pauses in here, you can see in the timeline. Yeah, if you click delete all, it basically removes the pauses between the sentences. So the text-based editing features is great for editing podcasts, conversation videos, and talking head videos. For the next feature, we're gonna go back to the editing section again. Yep, so imagine you need to find footages for your video edit. And the old me will probably go through all these footages one by one and see which footages is the compatible one. But with AI-powered search panel, finding the proper clip just got easier. For example, imagine if this clip is like 100 clips and you're editing a short film or a big project and you need to find a clip of a gold. You just type in the word gold and it will show you which clip has gold in it, and like this is saving a lot of time. Or maybe a city. It will show you a clip with a city landscape in it. So no more scrolling through hours of footages and watching this clip one by one to find the right clip. These hidden AI tools in Premiere Pro can drastically improve your editing efficiency. My name is Kennedy and I represent NDev. Feel free to book a call with us through the link below and I'll help scale your content. Obviously, like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. See you in the next video and stay creative.